G'day guys. This is a bit of a strange video because the car has a black panel on it, for example, and it looks like it's been a big crash, but apparently it hasn't. This car had a frontal collision over here and the car was lent out. So yesterday we got a couple of cars that had been lent out to people. That's another one. And it just seems when you lend your car out, it gets wrecked. I personally, from my own personal experience, have found that to be true. That Focus is just wrecked, right? But on this Swift, it's a 2014 Swift, and it's been really looked after. Besides the, little ding it had in the front, I was assured that it was on that side, but this control arm snapped. And the girl originally had a creaking, she said, and when the car came in, we were really shocked. So you can see that it's been cracked. Not that I'm a metallurgy expert, and it gave way. So this thing had a fracture in it, and you can actually see, why on earth would they put a freaking hole in it? I mean, is it to get to the sway bar or something above it? So I don't know if this is a fault. We don't know exactly, but just a video. If your Swift is creaking or pulling to one side suddenly, the front end checks out fine. When you actually check the free play on the wheel, the movement, lateral and vertical, there's no movement. But if you push the wheel, the whole wheel moves. So it's quite incidental. I was just putting a little section on my website about how reliable Suzukis are and how robust they are, and literally 5 minutes after I finished the sentence, this thing came in. So she actually said my brakes are grinding or something, and that's going to happen on this ute over here, which is a Mazda. He had a wheel bearing collapse, so the whole wheel moved and dragged the brakes on. So look, I personally don't know if the brakes are going to drag on or grind, but in any situation where your wheel has come off center, definitely check the discs. There you go. You guys can't see that. Hang on. It does look like the brakes were coming on here. There's hot spots on the disc. So let me think. The wheel was moving that way. Even worse, you can throw a drive shaft out of your gearbox. Anyway, it's not the most purposeful video because I personally do not think that this is something people are going to YouTube, but beware, I guess, in any car, if, control arms can crack. I also did notice that it had this significant impact here, that the rim hit a curb, but I don't think that would contribute to that being fractured. Anyway, if anyone's seen this before, let us know. Okay, have a great day. Bye.